Hello everybody, welcome and thank you for your interest in our Sidem Steering and Suspension products. My name is Harold. I have more than 15 years of experience as a mechanic. Today, I will show you how to detect wear on steering and suspension parts in a timely fashion and how to replace those worn parts. This avoids the car being rejected at the car inspection and the accompanying customer dissatisfaction. A car's steering and suspension parts should be checked at least once a year. How do you know whether a track control arm or ball joint needs to be replaced? While driving, you will notice the car deviating from a straight line, or that it becomes difficult to steer when cornering, or when there are irregularities on the road surface. At the start of the check, lift the car until the wheels come fully off the ground. Grasp the wheel from above and below and execute a tilting movement. This movement is to check whether or not there is play on the ball joint of the track control arm. In case of play, the suspension and steering of the car do not react accurately while driving, which can be risky if bumps or potholes are to be found on the road surface because it reduces the control over the car. If you feel little resistance when executing the tilting movement, this indicates play on the part. Next, proceed with the visual check and lift the car higher. First, check the condition of the dust cover on the ball joint. If the rubber material of the dust cover shows wear or cracks, the ball joint needs to be replaced. Now, you can test whether or not there is play on the ball joint with a lever. Do this by ringing the track control arm up and down in relation to the wheel bearing housing. If the arm moves downward while the ball joint remains in place, this indicates play. Finally, check the state of the silent blocks. Visual inspection with a lamp allows you to detect cracks or wear. Once more, put a lever between the subframe and the track control arm and see if it is possible to create movement. If you can create a movement of 1 or more centimeters, this indicates play and wear of the silent blocks and they should be replaced too. Here you can see some additional examples of parts that need to be replaced. In the event of such findings, remember to replace the parts on time and on both sides of the car. This way you avoid the car becoming unsafe and not passing a car inspection. For more information, please visit the Sidem website www.sidem.eu. Thank you for watching and see you next time.